I'm going to talk about the writing section of the OET. And the first thing to note is there is a different version of the OET for each profession. So whether that's doctors, nurses, etc., you will have a different task for the writing section. It is in total 45 minutes. Now, importantly, the first 5 minutes are only for reading. After that, you can then spend the 40 minutes writing and completing that task. There is only one task, and this differs from the speaking section where you have 2 role plays. With the writing section, you actually only have one task to complete, and the word limit is between 180 to 200 words. And we'll talk more about the importance of this later as we get into some of the details. In terms of what they're actually testing as well as the task itself, let's start with what you actually have to do. So you have to write a formal letter, which is either going to be a referral, a transfer, or a discharge letter. In terms of the differences between these 3 letter types, there are some minor differences, but for the most part, the structure, the content will remain quite similar. What will happen is you will receive case notes, and these case notes have information in point form, and this information is usually about the social history, medical history, previous appointment details, anything relevant to the patient's case, as well as future plans of action and what you need to request from the referral, transfer, or discharge letter that you are writing. Your goal is to take those case notes and put them into a formal professional letter format. So that's a little overview of what the OET writing section requires, as well as some of the details for that. In the next video, we'll take a look at the actual criteria, how your writing is being assessed, and some things to focus on as you are writing. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so that you are updated when I release that next video. And to do that, also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are notified when it comes out. I'll see you in the next video.